Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets. And this week's Stitch of the Week is this really pretty bud stitch. It's a nice dense stitch, and today I am using a salmon colored yarn. This is Premier Basics by Premier Yarns, and I am going to be using a 4.5 millimeter hook today. And this stitch is just a very, very easy, simple stitch, and it is so pretty. To begin this stitch pattern, we are going to need an odd number of chains. So any odd number of chains. For today's tutorial, I am going to use 21 chains. Okay, so I have my 21 chains, and can you see that little gnat flying around? It's gonna drive me nuts. There he is, see him? Okay, so in the second chain from the hook, we are going to place a single crochet. Then we are going to crochet a base row of single crochets in each chain across. Just a simple single crochet in each of the 20 chains. All right, so there's my single crochet base across the chain, so I have 20 single crochets. Now what I'm going to do is chain one and then turn my work. In this very first stitch, we are going to place a single crochet. In this very same stitch, we are going to place a double crochet. Then we're going to skip one stitch, and in the next stitch, we're going to place a single crochet, and in the same stitch, a double crochet. Skip one stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, and double crochet into that same stitch. Now you are just going to repeat this across. Like I said, it is very, very simple. Skip a stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, and double crochet into that same stitch. And repeat all the way to the end. But don't think that that's just it just yet, because at the very end we're going to do something different. Okay, we're just about there. We're going to skip a stitch, single crochet, and then double crochet in that same stitch. Now we are at the last 3 single crochets. This is where we're going to do something different. We are going to skip a stitch, in the next stitch, single crochet. Now we are going to crochet 2 double crochets together. So yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch as your single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and that's it. Okay, now we are going to yarn over, insert our hook into that last stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. That's how we finished that row. Now we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. In this very first stitch, we are going to single crochet, which is in the double crochet stitch from the previous row. Then we are going to double crochet in that same stitch. We're going to skip one, so we're skipping that single crochet in the previous row, and we're going to go into the next stitch, which is the double crochet of the previous row, and we're going to single crochet and then double crochet in that same stitch. So that's what we're doing right straight across, is we're skipping the single, and in that double we are going to single crochet and then double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat that across until we get to the end, and I'll show you again how we finish the end of the row. So skip one and single crochet and double crochet in that same stitch. Skip one, single crochet and double crochet in the same stitch. And again, and then again, and now we are at the last 3 stitches. Skip one, single crochet, double crochet, but don't complete it. Double crochet in the next stitch, but don't complete it, so that you have 3 stitches on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, chain 1, and turn your work. And that's all we're going to do. In that very first stitch, you're going to single crochet and double crochet in the same stitch. Skip one, single crochet in the next stitch and double crochet in that same stitch. And when I said it was easy, I wasn't kidding. That's all we are doing all the way across, is single crochet and double crochet in the same stitch and skipping 1 stitch in between. And look how quick this is going, and it creates such a beautiful, dense, thick fabric for really nice warm blankets or scarves. This would even, this would even make a beautiful pillowcase. So now we're at the last 3. We're going to skip 1 and single crochet. We're going to double crochet 2 together. So start a double crochet but don't complete it, and then start a double crochet in the last stitch but don't complete it, yarn over, pull through all 3, and that is it. That is the bud stitch. It is beautiful, it is simple, it is quick and easy. Comment below, let me know if you've ever crocheted this stitch before, and if you haven't, what you think of the stitch. And until next time, bye!